Have a go at this. Solve 4x minus 1 equals 19. We have to find out what the value of x is. Have a go yourself, and I'll show the solution on the next slide. I will start by writing out the equation. 4x minus 1 equals 19. Now I have to get the x by itself, and I'll start off by adding 1 to this side and also adding 1 to this side. This will give me 4x. Now, the reason I've just got 4x here is that minus 1 plus 1 is actually 0. So I could say here plus 0 equals, and this will be 20, because 19 plus 1 is 20. So you end up with 4x equals 20. Now I'm going to take the 4x and divide it by 4 to isolate the x. So I have to do the same to the other side. And then you end up with x equals 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Now we take this x and we substitute it into the equation. So we end up here with 4 multiplying the 5. And from that we subtract the 1. And of course 4 times 5 is 20, from which we take the 1 and we get the result of 19. And of course we can see this 19 is what we had in the original equation. Consequently, when we consider the result we found here, x equals 5, we can say it is correct. So you can see for this solution, the steps we had to take was to add 1 to both sides and then divide both sides by 4. And this isolated the x by itself to show us that x equals 5.